shooting.
The way I was always taught was that way, and the guy that taught me was Ranger Bat, so. But at the same time, he could have been fucked up, you know. No worries. Just for me, that's like, it seems like an extra step you don't have, I mean, you know. Alright, you guys keep peace amongst yourself for the most part for now. I need to take a tactical break because you can only teach so much and watch this so much before somebody fucks up and you're just like, whatever. So I'm gonna go clear my mind for a minute. Just make sure that nobody kills themselves with the fucking buffer spring and we're good.
I want to do a different job. He's going to run up to me in the middle of the night.
Go ninja, go ninja. Go, 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 go ninja, go ninja.
I should have been able to do it. I should have been able to do it. Man, I don't know why it hit me. Like as soon as we got over by this tent, I just was like.
They're with you. Wearing these.
I'm not even like doing the head nodding thing. I'm starting to collapse on my fucking legs too. He's not even awake right now, man.
Yeah.
This natural reflexes.
He's practiced Spider-Man.
You know how people like fall asleep before me and shit? Well, he can fall asleep too. Sometimes, you know, I've seen it. You know?
Sometimes I'll talk about off-wall
Officer
stuff.
come out and he'll be asleep. Muscle memory.
Yeah.
That would be amazing, man. That'd be like some Spider-Man fucking ability.
Yeah.
Just watch someone stand there and sleep.
If I was able to do that, I'd be
They
sleeping.
pull sunglasses off and just
wake up. Whoa!
You're done already? Sweet! Alright. Could you imagine how long your dreams would be?
awesome.
Your dreams would almost get boring and be like, fuck it, I'm having a scary dream. Ah, Spider-Woman! Ah.
Just be asleep the whole drill.
Good to
Still
go.
go through the motions.
Yeah.
Good job, ninja. I like ninja. That's fucking Mendoza.